is marriage a lot more difficult than you thought it was going to be, or is it about what you expected?
I think marriage is a little bit more difficult than I thought, but I mean...
Because you guys dated for what, like 8 months?
We didn't date for that long, and we were
Okay.
pregnant, and so many different things happened at the same exact time, including, you know, having the baby and my business and all of that. So we were also older. When you get married older, you're set in your ways, and that's when the acceptance has to really come into play.
You also, I mean, so much of the way we are as adults was modeled from the way what happened to us as kids. How has the stuff you went through as a child shaped the kind of wife you are, shaped the kind of family you want to have?
Well, I would say that, first of all, it's made me really want it, but I would say that I haven't really seen a great example of relationships, so I'm sort of, you know...
You moved around like...
I went to like 13
different schools.
Right. So I'm in unfamiliar territory. I'm just having faith that it can work and that, you know, this is a commitment and this is marriage and this is love and that it will be difficult but that we can make it through. And my husband comes from a, you know, family where it's just no one gets divorced. No one in his family, no one in, you know, in any of his friends. It doesn't happen. It doesn't exist. So we're coming from two different places, but we both have the same goal.
Right.
And we're both, there's a comfort to commitment. There is a comfort to knowing, you know, we're making this work. It's going to be difficult sometimes, but we're in it to win it.